Jamaica train that's usually at Glen Head.
Oh, you think so?
That
Well, no, 'cause
626.
There's a train that comes from Oyster Bay.
Yeah, this.
That's a little earlier
Yeah,
because
so.
it's arrives just about the same time in Glen Head.
Okay. So it's probably the Oyster Bay train, I guess. I hear something. Oh! It's the Jamaica train. Oh, a dual mode. That's nice. Interesting. It's a dual mode. It's a dual mode
Yes,
train. Nice. 501 leading. Don't know what engine's on the back. Pretty cool. Get a nice little picture of that. He's getting ready to go now. Ooh, 5. 5 cars. Nice. Ooh, 516 trailing. Nice. There it goes. Alright, 501 and 516. Nice. I'll have to find out what that one was.